Having trouble accessing your ASUS router's admin interface? This frustrating issue has several common causes that we can identify and resolve. The most common issue is using the wrong IP address. Most ASUS routers use either 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.1 as their default gateway address. You can find the correct IP address on the router's label, usually located on the back or bottom of the device. Another frequent issue is using incorrect login credentials. Many ASUS routers use admin for both username and password by default. If you've changed these credentials and forgotten them, you'll need to perform a factory reset using the reset button on your router. Your device must be properly connected to the router's network. This can be through Wi-Fi or a direct Ethernet cable connection. Browser-related issues can prevent GUI access. Common solutions include clearing your browser cache, disabling proxy settings, or trying a different browser entirely. Recent security vulnerabilities like CVE 2025-2492 can affect router functionality and GUI access. This critical flaw affects routers with A-Cloud enabled. Keeping your router firmware updated is crucial for addressing security concerns and ensuring stable GUI access. Check for updates regularly through the router interface or mobile app. Before diving into complex troubleshooting, try the simple solution first. Restart both your router and computer. This resolves many temporary connection glitches and is often the quickest fix. When your ASUS router GUI won't load, start with the most basic troubleshooting step, power cycling your router. This simple process can resolve many connectivity issues. Next, ensure you're using the correct IP address to access your router. Most ASUS routers use 192.168.1.1, but some may use different addresses. You can find this information using the ASUS Device Discovery utility. If you haven't changed your router's login credentials, try the default username and password. For most ASUS routers, both the username and password are admin. If you've forgotten your custom password, you may need to perform a factory reset. Locate the reset button on your router and hold it for 10 to 30 seconds while the router is powered on. Warning: this will erase all custom configurations. Browser issues can also prevent GUI access. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, try a different browser, and test both HTTP and HTTPS connections. Temporarily disable any firewall or security software that might be blocking access. Keeping your router firmware up to date is crucial for security and functionality. Access the firmware update section in your router settings and install any available updates to patch security vulnerabilities. Once you regain access to your router GUI, implement these security best practices. Change default passwords immediately, disable unnecessary remote features like AI Cloud if not needed, and regularly check for firmware updates. If all troubleshooting steps fail, contact ASUS support for further assistance.